So, you're thinking about streaming, but you're not exactly sure how to start and what software to use. So, this is what you need to do. First step, get the right software. If you want to be on a budget, I would definitely advise people to do OBS Studio and Restream. Two free software programs. OBS Studio will be your actual broadcasting software, and you can also record your videos at the same time, and we can put everything up, set everything up very easily so it fits to your software or your hardware and software needs. Restream will help you stream to, say, 2 platforms at one time, like I am doing. I'm streaming to Twitch and YouTube at the same time. And yeah, if you want to follow, it's Struck Joe, Twitch and YouTube. Anytime you want, I'll be streaming different things, especially a lot of gaming and different stuff. Image software, you'll need GIMP, and well, you don't need it. There's a lot of different programs, but I would definitely advise GIMP is a very good open source program. It's free, and you can make your thumbnails and scale pictures. You'll need imaging software for that. Video editing software, I would definitely go with OpenShot Video. Also, there's many other alternatives, but OpenShot Video is free to use, and you can often find tutorials on how to use these different programs on OpenShot. So it's pretty easy to work with as long as you learn. It has a small learning curve, and then you'll slowly know how to edit and mix different software together. And I will also be coming with some different video editing tips and tricks later on, also in OpenShot. My advice to optimization, I would definitely say VidQ seems to have some help. It seems to help you with things like thumbnails, optimization, what titles to use, or it has a little bit of a what do you call it? It has some AI functions where it can generate different things for you. Depending on if you pay for it or not, you can actually get some plans where they help you a lot more with the details, and also what type of titles to run with. The outlets, you'll definitely need Twitch and YouTube. Others like Instagram, Facebook and so on, yes, use them if you want to, but I would definitely advise to stream at Twitch and YouTube at the same time, and use the clips and shorts and stuff, and both these channels will feed off each other. So all these programs are pretty much free to use. The links will be in the description, so don't worry about that. I will try and come with some extra descriptive videos to help you out later on. So to get started with the whole streaming process, I would definitely get OBS to start with. So if you write OBS Studio download, and then you go on the download link, click up here. I don't know why it's like this, but that's the way it is. And then you can download the installer. Do that, and then you will have this program here. This will be your broadcasting software. It's completely free, and is definitely a good tool to have. I've been very happy with OBS. The next thing you need to do would be to go on Twitch. This is my channel. You'll have to go on Twitch and create an account or whatever, say it's Instagram or whatever, and each program will have different ways of connecting. Also, this is my channel on YouTube. So what I do is I stream to YouTube and to Twitch at the same time. And to do that, you will need Restream. So write restream.io. So all these three platforms you need to create an account. Restream, YouTube, and Twitch. If you want to do as I do, or you'll need other programs. And if you use other outlets, say you use Instagram, you will need to find the actual stream key, which you put in Restream. If you just want to stream to one place, all you have to do is go to stream, and then you have your place. This is Restream, and that's why I'm streaming to YouTube and Twitch at the same time. So it's very good to have. The next thing I would do would be to set up the scenes and the sources. So as you can see, I have a start scene where, for example, I've put background music. So all you have to do to create these is, say we make a start scene, then we make a game recording, which will be your game screen source. Then I've made one with a bit of gamma, if you're playing games where you need more color or light, so you can change in between these scenes. Then I've made a ending scene, or just end scene. Thanks for hanging out, see you soon. And then I've also made a screen recorder. So also here you could put a webcam, for example. To put all the dots together, all you need is YouTube, Twitch and Restream. You connect Twitch and YouTube with your Restream. From Restream you can connect to your OBS Studio. And from then on you can start playing and having fun. All the things should be explained to you slowly, how to connect your whole stream, so don't worry about it. And we will be coming with some detailed videos to help you out later on. Good idea, since I've already given you that advice, to use GIMP, an open studio video editor. The reason for this is you'll fastly learn how to make thumbnails, save yourself some time and money, and also get creative with titles and start making your own content. It's very easy. Just take one little thing at a time, and don't worry, you'll get there. Thanks for watching, and please do like and subscribe. I'm on Twitch and YouTube, and my name is Struckjoe.